Nanoleaf made a comeback for the 5th year in a row, this year at CES 2020. In case you couldn't make it out to the show, here's a short recap of what you missed. Light panels and canvas made an appearance in multiple booths across the show. In the Nanoleaf booth, the canvas's touch-reactive features were shown off on multiple walls, allowing people to play and interact with light. The highly anticipated hexagons, the first shape in the line of unified light panels, was proudly on display. These hexagons tout improved features from the previous light panels in Canvas, as well as new features of their own. Making its debut at the show was Nanoleaf's Learning series, a smart home lighting system that learns from you and fits your lighting to your lifestyle. Next up, we had the Screen Mirror Gaming Room, featuring the Nanoleaf Canvas in the dark. Designed for gamers, this room really took the gaming beyond the screen. Outside the gaming room, there was another installation for the Screen Mirror feature, this time on the big screen for extra impact. And finally was the Rhythm Wall, where Nanoleaf light panels danced to music and sound. And that's just a small taste of what you missed from Nanoleaf at CES 2020. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for even more content.